Unbox with me, guys. I don't remember ordering anything, but I just received, I just saw like PDP email saying that your parcel is going to be delivered today. I'm like, what is it? So let's just check what is in this box. It's a surprise, obviously, because I was not expecting anything at all. So let's get it. Let's unbox it. Okay. Oh, there's no indication. I don't know. Probably. Take this out of the way so that you can see what it is. All right, this is from HONOR Technologies. So I bought an HONOR phone, the one I'm using to record. So it was coming with extras. So these are the extras. Thank you, HONOR. Thank you. I waited because I actually signed up for it end of January, and I thought maybe they completely forgot about me. But it's here. HONOR Watch Pro. Look at that. Oh. What's this? Let's open it. I'm too excited. I'm too excited. Let's see what it is. Thank you, HONOR, for honoring this. I just thought maybe I was following a thread online, and they were waiting for months and months. They haven't even received their parcel, but I received mine. I bought an HONOR 8 Pro Max, and it's very good quality. That's the phone I use for recording. Oh my god, this is 1.7-inch AMOLED ultra thin display. So this is what is it? HONOR Choice Watch. Okay, that's it. So let's take this off. I think I need to charge it. Yeah, it needs to be charged. I've got one like this. And what's this one? I think this one is the battery. What's this? This one is HONOR Supercharge Wireless Charger Stand. All right. Let's see how it is. The packaging is spot on. I like how it's packaged. It's really nice. Okay. I think there's a cable in here. Okay. Right. That's that. Ooh. Okay. So the safety information, wireless charger stand, how to use it, HONOR. Okay. There's something as well in here. All right, this is it. That's it. That's the charger. So the phone sits there. Where's my other? So I want to test if the HONOR Pro charger is working. So let's see. So here it is. I've just plugged it on the wall. Okay, and it didn't come with that. That's mine, and that's the only cable that I brought. And this is the HONOR that I brought from them. So let's see if it's charged. See, Hey, it's charging. Right, so it's working all right. And this, the wristwatch, I've got another one. This is this is mine, which I was charging. This is the new one that I have now, and this is my MagicPad. They call it the HONOR MagicPad 3. HONOR MagicPad 3. So guys, I'm excited, and I thought HONOR had forgotten me. Thank you, HONOR, for honoring this. Thank you, HONOR, for honoring this. Oh God, so we're good to go. Thank you, HONOR. And there's something as well. Look at this. HONOR. Oh my God. HONOR Pro. Look at that. Okay, let's open it. What is it? IMAX Enhanced. Right. How do I put it on? I'm so excited about this. How do I open it? Come on. I can't wait. I can't wait to open it. Okay, so it should be here. Yep. Can't wait. HONOR Pro. And this is well packaged. Hey. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Yo. Look, it's like an iPad. It's like a, oh wow. Now I'm like, hi dear Auntie Tandy. Da 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 da. One of my followers said you need to buy an iPad because I was reading from a phone. So now we're not gonna be using this one anymore. We're gonna be using this. Hi dear Auntie Tandy. Dear Auntie Tandy. Oh. HONOR. That's it. Let me see if there's anything else. There's a charger, I think. What's this? Oh, there's a cable. Here it is. Let's see if it works. Hold on. So there's this cable. So I've got, they didn't bring this, so I've got mine. So I'm going to put it there. Oops. Where is that? Is it not working? Okay. So let's plug it in there. And let's plug it in there. See whether something is going to happen. Yes! HONOR! Android. Guys, I'm so excited. So this is what I got from HONOR. That. And the charger. This charger for the phone. So the phone sits there. I'm actually recording with the HONOR phone right now. This is it. We are finally set to do our content. So let's set it up. English. Get started. United Kingdom. Continue. I'm going to agree to everything here. Join user experience. Continue. Oh my God. This is putting me onto my Wi-Fi. No, I'll ask my son to do this later on. I'll skip. Can't be fiddling around with this. Here we are. So guys, yes. So that's from Honor, and I bought a phone and it came up with all this. And Honor, thank you so much. I received the gifts, so thank you so much. And I love the phone as well. The quality is perfect. I can't complain. This is the phone I'm using to record this video. So if you're happy with the quality of the video, this is from Honor. Thank you. Bye.